Get ready, start. The present appeals arise from a common order dated 30/8/2019, passed in three separate miscellaneous appeals filed by the appellants before the High Court affirming an order of injunction. KS Infraspace LLP Limited, respondent number 1, filed special civil suit numbers 322 of 2018 and 323 of 2018 before the Court of Principal Civil Judge at Vadodara against the appellants in civil appeal number 9346 of 2019. Parenthesis start. Ambalal Sarabhai Enterprises, parenthesis closed, and civil appeal number 9347 of 2019, parenthesis start. Haryana Containers Limited, parenthesis closed, respectively, which are sister concerns. The appellant in civil appeal number 9348 of 2019, within parenthesis, Neptune Infraspace Private Limited, was impleaded as defendant number 2 in the latter suit. The parties shall be referred to by their respective position in the civil suit for the sake of convenience. The plaintiff filed the two suits for declaration and specific performance against the defendant sister concerns with regard to a total area of 19,685 square meters of lands situated in village Badiwadi, Sobhanpura district, Vadodara in Gujarat. The plaintiff contended that there existed a concluded contract with the defendants after negotiations for sale of the suit lands for a total sum of rupees 31 crore and 58 crore respectively. The plaintiff had duly communicated its acceptance of the final draft memorandum of understanding within parenthesis MOU dated 30/3/2018. Only the formal execution of contract documents remained as a formality. A sum of rupees 2.16 crores had also been paid as advance. The plaintiff was ready and willing with the balance amount. Alternately, it was claimed that there existed a concluded oral contract between the parties. The defendants had surreptitiously entered into a registered agreement for sale with defendant number 2 on 31/3/2018, and thus the suit and prayer for injunction. The principal civil judge, by order dated 18/2/2019, held that by inference the terms and conditions for sale stood finalized by the email dated 29/3/2018 and 30/3/2018. A token amount of rupees 2.16 crores had already been paid, and the plaintiff was ready and willing with the balance amount. Creation of third party rights would lead to further litigation. Thus, by an order of temporary injunction, the defendants were restrained from executing any further documents, including a sale deed, or creating further charge, interest, or deal with the suit lands in any manner. The High Court, by its order dated 30/8/2019, affirmed the order of injunction, holding that the communication of acceptance to the draft MOU sent by email dated 30/3/2018, coupled with the exchange of WhatsApp correspondences between the parties, amounted to a concluded contract. We have heard learned senior counsel Sri Kapil Sibbal, Sri C.U. Singh, and Sri Huzaifa Ahmadi appearing on behalf of the defendant numbers 1 and 2, who are the appellants before us. Sri Sibbal, making the lead arguments on behalf of the defendant sister concerns, submitted that they had decided to sell the lands in view of financial stringency and their inability to meet financial commitments inter alia, leading to attachment of immovable properties by the income tax department for dues of rupees 48 crore apart from other statutory liabilities stock.